So compound interest. Compound interest is what? If we think first is of compound. What is a compound? Compound consists of different elements in a, if we think of chemistry. But here in maths, compound also means interest on the interest. Means simple interest was only on the principal we were getting the interest, but in compound interest, whatever interest was of first year, the interest will be counted on the interest of the first year. Means what? The formula will be compound interest equals to P whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P. Means this is your principal and this is your amount. Means what in the previous simple interest, what I wrote, amount equals to principal plus SI, and in same only this will be your CI, principal was your P, and your amount is your P whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So if we take out for CI, so this will be P whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P equals to compound interest. So compound interest, you got a rough idea. So if so compound interest formula is P whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P. So if your question is given that rate of interest becomes your half and it is counted half yearly, so what you do means your compound question is given if CI is counted half yearly. Half yearly means instead of 1 year they are counting in 6 months. 6 months means 1 by 2 year, half year. So your formula becomes your R means rate of interest will become R by 2 and your time will become 2. Remember this. And if question is given, if CI is counted quarterly, if CI is counted quarterly, quarter means 4 by 4. Always remember that. Quarterly means 1 by 4. So your R will become R by 4 and your T will become 4. So by remembering this you can solve different questions. Another formula is there, that is population. Population formula we say means if question will be given that your population is increasing by R%, then the final population will be what? So formula goes like this, P whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. We were writing amount means the formula was P. Instead of P you don't write anything here because our population is increasing by R% is only given. So 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, and if population is decreasing by R%, so your formula will be 1 minus R by 100 to the power n, and the population is decreasing, and this is also known as depreciation formula. So here our question is, what is the CI on rupees 15,000 at 20% per annum for 4 years? It's a simple question based on formula only. Compound interest equals to P whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1 minus P. So here is a P is your 15,000, 1 plus R is your 20%. and your 4 years minus 15,000. And if you solve this, you will be getting your answer. Second question is, find the compound interest on rupees 3,000 at 10% and per annum for 1 year compounded half yearly. So while telling you formulas, I said if half yearly question is given, simply half the rate, means your R1 will be R by 2 and time will be doubled, means 2n. So your rate here is 10%, means 10 by 2 will be 5%, and your time is your 1 year compounded half yearly, means it will be 2. By taking this only, solve it. 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus p. So your p is rupees 3,000. 1 plus R is your 5. 5 by 100 and your is 2 minus 3,000. Solve for it. If you like our videos, do press the like button, do subscribe our channel in YouTube, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. And to get regular study materials, do visit our website edsuper.com.